This was a real flute recorded live on site, and it was performed by a local Indian musician and artist. Yes, welcome to Crazy Horse Memorial. This is a wonder in making. So this site will be wonder of the world once it's completed. This is about Indian heritage and Indian history in North America. So there will be a big statue carved out of mountain soon. This memorial site is not far from Mount Rushmore, and this site is not far in the history from Mount Rushmore as well, because this site has a lot of connection with Mount Rushmore site. This site is only 20 kilometers away from Mount Rushmore site, and the main connection is not only the distance. The main connection is when Mount Rushmore was created, the Indian community in South Dakota area, they raised their concern. Like they said, we also have a lot of history and heritage. And why don't you create something for us as well? And it was welcomed by artists who were already working on Mount Rushmore. And they also promised, we will create something for you as well. And this is how it all started. The current status of this site is the face and hand has been almost completed, and rest of the statue is in development at the moment. Welcome to Crazy Horse Memorial.
Crazy. It's crazy.
You gotta be some amount of craziness in you. Yeah, you gotta be crazy enough to come here.
Well, that's us.
So South Dakota is all about heads and faces, right?
Yeah, on mountains.
In the car number plate says great faces, great places. Every dirt road going to side on the right hand side. Bus ticket, you can get bus ticket, bus can take you further closer. Hey. Say pakoda,
Pagoda.
cheese,
Crazy.
chutney.
Crazy.
Tickets are right here. Movie in theater 2 be starting in about 6 minutes. So I'll make an announcement when I started. Got a fruit platter out on the covered porch at 1:30.
Thank you, sir.
Should we watch the movie? That's 6 minutes, right? Do you want to go to bathroom?
No, you?
Yeah.
Go. Go for it.
Baby, look, your favorite. It says Crazy Horse from Space. That's you.
The rule. In his early teens, he became one of the first Native Americans to attend Carlisle Indian School in Pennsylvania, where he took on the name of Henry, chosen at random from a list of names. As a result of attending Carlisle, Standing Bear concluded that in order to best help his people, it would be necessary to learn the ways of the non-native world.
Laughing water. Like as far as the size is concerned, like what we're actually looking at, it's only 1/34th of what the real one is gonna look like. Korzak. Korzak is the sculptor. He's sexy, like.
This is how it's gonna look.
So right now, all that's done is the face and that hand, right? Is it the hand that's going like this?
So, in this, and he does the same instrument. It's a brand new instrument. Does it hurt? He saw me.
Well, this is how far they've come. Like 1998.
Bad enough. I hear
2002.
It's me, because now I got a lot of pressure on me. Stage fright never got better. All the artists in there.
Their children and their grandchildren are actually still working on the project, and they're very keen to finish it, but they want to be really, really precise about how they do it, because they want it to be perfect, because it was their father's dream to make it that way. And there's also a university that was dedicated to this tribe, the Lakota tribe.
He even refused federal government grant of $10 million during 1980s. $10 million was a
Because
lot of
he
money.
thought the government would like.
Yeah, he thought if government grant is being used, government will be interfering with tradition.
Yeah.
And they won't respect properly Indian traditions. We present to you
Crazy Horse.
craziest horse.
Oh, and they explained why it's called Crazy Horse, because he did really well in battle, and everybody was like, man, that horse is crazy, but in a good way,
Learned his name, Crazy Horse, from his parents.
from his dad, yeah.
By bravely fighting the battle, and his original real name was Curly.
Curly, because he had curly hair, like you, like your curly hair, like your afro.
In his first battle, he earned his name
Crazy Horse,
It was originally his father's name.
but he maintained it.
See people throw like,
Oh, to make a wish. Should we make a wish? I think we should. Should we wish that Crazy Horse finishes soon?
yeah.
Like, but it's taking a while to finish. But it's interesting, like, this guy got the sculptor got really obsessed with like this, like finishing it.
1, 2, 3. Rikishi. Let's go and show everybody how it's gonna look once it's finished.